Hello, this is a tutorial on how you can upload a photo or video on Instagram on your PC with the new Instagram update. So let's start with clicking the upload button, which you can see on the top right side of your screen, which is here. Click on it, and you can drag the photos and videos, or you can just click it, select from computer. So let's start with the first photo, which is a PNG file. And by the way, these are already accepted files by the platform. Okay, so just click on it and click open. So on the bottom left, you can change the orientation of your photo. So you can choose either original, 1:1, 4:5, or 16:9, and you can just adjust your photo accordingly. So let's go back to the original and then set it on the middle. And also you can adjust the zoom level if you want to. Just set it up, and on this side, by clicking on that button, you can add more photos or make it into a carousel. So just click open, and you can just click and drag to reorder, and then just click on next if you're happy with the order. Okay, so let's go back to the first photo and let's apply some filters. So you can find a couple of filters on this side of the screen and adjust the opacity of the filter, or you can also adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, fade, vignette if you want to. And just notice that any changes that you apply on the first photo doesn't automatically apply on the next image or video in your carousel. So okay, let's just reset all of these. I don't want any of that. Remove any folder. Okay, now let's select the next photo, which is a video. So you can either select the cover photo for your video. So this works as the thumbnail for the video. So I like this color because it's right. And then you can also trim your video by adjusting the end and start. So you just need to drag the slider, whatever you want, and it automatically previews. Also, you can turn the sound on or off. Okay, so after making your changes, you can just click on next. You can write your own caption. Let's say, hello folks, look my first post from PC with the new Instagram update. Loving it. Okay, now you can add your own location if you really want to, and you can also add an alt text for accessibility. For the advanced settings, you can turn off the commenting or not. So let me add, I'll set up with one hashtag. Okay, and then let's share your first post. Ta-da! Okay, just click on exit and let's go to our profile and refresh. Here it is. Can you see that? Looks cool, right? Alright, that's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Oh, and unfortunately, I'm not sure if you can upload your story. I cannot find any update or button in here, so this tutorial is just about a wall post. Bye.